Hey friends, it's Jamie here with the Simple Organized Erin Condren Planner Group on Facebook and the blog milkallergymom.com. I'm having a hard time getting this video done today. First, I'm waiting for sunshine that just doesn't look like it's going to happen here at the end of December. And second, I keep getting a low connection on this video. So I'm trying a new trick and I hope that this works. I've already said in several videos, but you have not seen them yet. We are moving our way through the Erin Condren Planner, setting up the 2020 Life Planner, and today we are landing on this monthly spread that happens in each month of the planner. It is new. In the past, we have had this note page that I love to use for our home budget each month. I've already done a video on that. And on the other page, we always have had this month calendar layout. But this right here with the extra notes and places where we can just keep other things organized is new and pretty exciting because it's a lot of blank space that we can just cater to what we are needing to track in our own life, hence the Life Planner. One tip that I have about this is one of those things where maybe you have a good idea, you want to try it, but then in February or March you decide, I didn't really use it that very well, so I'm going to try something different. So I definitely am going to just set this up for January in a way that I think I will use it, and I'm going to leave the other ones blank until I get there, just because this is one of the new things that I want to really tweak and get down good. So just know that when you are starting a planner, you do not have to have it completely set up. And that's a way that we set ourselves up for failure sometimes, is we just think this is how I'm going to do it and I'm not going to be flexible. So be flexible, give yourself some grace, and maybe set up January and wait and see how it goes. I'll show you real quick how I am doing mine. I did go ahead and get rid of the birthday heading that was right here. I want to record my favorite scripture for the month, so I just put a label over that. I put birthdays in my weekly spots. And so one thing that I like to pay attention to in my planner is not repeating information. If I've already got it in one place, I don't need it in other places. That's just my personal opinion. So since I put the birthdays in the weekly spreads, I'm going to change this to a scripture area. I do like the monthly goals, so I'm going to keep those, and they had 4 things. I'm kind of going to use them as my different roles in life. So my wife goal for the month, my mom goal, my teacher goal because I'm a homeschooler, and a friend goal, maybe write a note or go on a coffee date or something like that. Just something I want to accomplish each month in each role that I've been placed in. I do homeschool, so down here I'm going to try to track some schoolwork with my kids. So they each get a section. I was able to put a line through the dots. I'm not a big dot fan. I'll talk about that in a second. So I'm kind of working with it and figuring out how that works. I do online work, so I have a lot of work and goals and lists for that. So I'm going to try that as my work section right there, where this is more like my personal. I kind of just carried down the goals into this area. So these are just quick bullets, and then I'll have even more work goals over here. Now on the grid layout, like I said, I'm not a big grid person. I have never tried making lines before. But one thing that has been huge in Milk Allergy Mom and just hanging out in different areas with women, self-care is a big thing that is on people's minds these days. And I thought that this would be the perfect place to try tracking self-care. You can tell I have no check boxes. I have no grids. Like seriously, you guys, I'm just thinking like tally marks are going to be like the extent of my record keeping. So I kind of put this in 4 quadrants. I love being able to use sticky notes. I may just get rid of the quadrants, get rid of the labels, and just have this be a sticky note spot. But we'll see. We'll see how it works out. I thought I'd just go all out here in January and see how I do. A few different areas for me that are self-care, but do not compare yourself to others when it comes to your self-care goals, because everybody's needs to reset and relax and rejuvenate they're all different. So if you're going to do something like this, be sure to use what is good for you in self-care. And I loved leaving an other section because I don't know what other self-care thing I need, and I'm hoping through the year I will figure it out. So I hope that this helps you get some ideas for your new monthly notes layout in the 2020 Erin Condren Planner. I would love to hear what you're doing with yours. Leave a comment. let us know, and we will be back tomorrow with another video as we move through the planner and get these babies set up for a great new year. We will talk to you soon. Have a good one. Bye.